Did a little ling dong ding. Did a little ling dong ding. Did a little ling dong ding. And what's Christmas without presents, y'all? Oh yeah, here we go. So this is our catch can setup. We got our 10AN fittings, our 10AN hose, and our catch can. Alright, this is the little preview, y'all. But we're not going to be setting this up today. We're actually going to be doing the coil pack relocation. I'm on a limited time today. It is Christmas Eve, so we're going to get this done. And yeah, we'll get back at you with that catch can after New Year's. Oh, here's a message from our sponsor. Diddle ding dong ding. I love you. This is Project Dad's Last Dream supercar build. Before Dad passed, he had one last dream, and I would like to finish it. So, if you'd like to see Dad's last dream thrive, please hit subscribe. And if you want to show you care, like, comment, and share. All right, we're out here in beautiful North Carolina, and we're having us a 64-degree day on Christmas Eve. Can you believe that? This is awesome. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna be working on Betsy. We're gonna push her out here in the driveway so we can do that coil pack relocation. Oh shit. Brake fluid. Wow, she leaked quite a bit from there all the way to here. Now Betsy ain't been outside since the first start video, so yeah, she's leaking, you know, ain't that much, but yeah, quite a bit of brake fluid came out. It's got to be a really slow leak though, because yeah, that was what, a couple weeks ago now. Yeah, I remember seeing that brake fluid leak when we did the first start, so yeah, I got to look into that. All right. Alright, so yeah, we have to relocate that coil pack, and yeah, we're gonna have to move some stuff out the way, but we don't have to move much. Alright, so get this boost gauge hose out the way, push that over there, and then yeah, this is the purge solenoid, I think. Oh man, broke it. Fuck. I have to zip tie that down now somehow, probably. And yeah, these fuel lines, I got my fuel line remover tools here. That's on the stock one, but this aftermarket one I bought at the local auto parts store already has the piece already in there, so you just literally push forward and then push this in. But this line has fuel in it, so what I'm gonna do is grab a rag and jam it under here. This way I don't get fuel, you know, on my paint, because it'll probably take the paint off. I mean, that valve cover I'm not too worried about, because we're going to be putting the other one on. All right, we got them fuel lines disconnected. Now I just unbolted the coil pack itself, took the bolts out. Now we're going to take off these spark plug wires. Got all those wires off, and then there's a little bolt in the back here that holds on the wiring harness to this. It's like a 6 or an 8 millimeter, so I got to grab one of them. It was a 7. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-dong-ding. Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-dong-ding. Holding me up. Something's not letting me get it off. There we go. Alright. Oh geez. I gotta clean up these the ends on these coil packs. Man, I should have grabbed those new coil packs when I seen them on that Firebird over at the pick and pull. She's wide open now. So a few weeks ago, when we did the first start, Someone dropped a comment, I think, on that video saying to grab that other valve cover with the oil cap in it, which I did. Actually, we got to go put a second coat on that real quick. So on the update video I dropped after that one, I was mentioning about how I was taking his idea and I was going to do it, but I would have to relocate the coil packs. So somebody else, they threw a comment down with a picture showing that they mounted it to the back of the firewall, not too far off, you know, from where the wiring is, so I wouldn't have to cut or splice the wiring, which is fucking awesome, because that's pretty much where I was thinking of putting it anyway. But yeah, it was nice to get the little confirmation, you know, that it would work before I even tried doing it. So yeah, I definitely appreciate that picture he sent me. But yeah, he had it mounted right here in the picture. So yeah, so this wiring, you know, would only have to go this far, but it does seem like it's being hung up right now, the wiring. So I don't know, maybe I can just unclip these clips that have this locked in, and maybe I can just pull it back an inch or two, or I might have to take the loom off maybe, and then, you know, separate these wiring here. You know, I'm not sure. Separate it a little bit to get it to come back an inch, because all I need, it looks like, is about an inch or two, and that should be it. Alright, I got to push back there. I mean, right now it's just balancing off of the brake booster and the valve cover right there pretty much. But yeah, get a little closer in there. Nicking up my paint. Y'all see that? Fucking nicking up my paint. Damn it. That's alright. Yeah, you guys know my theory on this kind of stuff. It ain't perfect, but good enough. Alright, yeah, he said he used zip screws to mount this with. I guess he just put the 2 zip screws down there on the bottom. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do those zip screws temporary though, and then eventually just to get it mounted for now, because I just want to get it up real quick. And then in the future, I actually want to drill it out, you know, put actually a nice sized bolt in there, and probably have to pull the dashboard out for it, possibly. I might be able to reach it, but I doubt it, because the steering column's all up in the way. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to pull this, maybe the steering column at the least I might have to pull out to get the bolts in for that. Panel puller tool. All right, got these 2 panels pulled out. And I got my 2 marks over here where I'm gonna drill the holes. And yeah, once I drill the holes, I'm gonna take a look underneath the dashboard through the firewall and see if I can actually get my hands in there and put nuts and bolts in instead of using zip screws. Alright, that ain't working. A little too big to be getting that in there. We're gonna have to find something else. Thank God I got this thing. I don't know how the hell I would drill that thing out. Let's get her done, baby. Oh shit. I forgot to oil up the old air tools so she stays reliable for me. Now remember, only a drop or 2 is all you need, or it'll be spraying oil all over the place. Oh yeah, she's working a lot better now. So I took this poker and I poked it through the hole we made right there, and it's bottoming out into, I guess, either the steering column or part of the gas pedal bracket. I don't know, something. It's smacking into something. So I'm not going to be able to actually put the bolts through right now. Yeah, eventually I'll probably just take the dashboard out in the future and yeah, put bolts through it, maybe weld them in so I can just slide that thing on and off, or yeah, I'm not even sure. But yeah, I'm gonna figure that out some other time. I got these lag bolts here. I think that's what they're called. So yeah, we're gonna just chop these down a little bit and then put these in. Yeah, and hopefully that'll hold it for now. Safety first, y'all. Love you, sweetheart.
Love you too.
Mwah.
Thanks.
Sorry you have to work on Christmas Eve. Y'all don't forget to check out Project Hunk of Junk. Ling dong ding. Ling dong ding. Alright, so now we're putting on the anodized coating. I ended up just unclipping these clips here, and I was able to push this wiring back, and it gave me that extra inch I needed, so that plug can touch the firewall there. So yeah, let's hook up that coil pack. Woo! Oh yeah! It was a struggle, but we got her in there. Oh yeah! All right, so that's where she is. Looks good, I like it. Nice and tucked back there. Alright, so that's it right now, because we gotta hook the catch can up, and I gotta swap the valve cover out on the next video. So this is as far as we're going pretty much with the work on this. And then we'll pick up where we left off. Oh yeah, that looks nice. Alright y'all, just got back from the old mother-in-law's. We had a beautiful dinner. It was great. We're nearing Christmas. What do we got? Time is it? It's 11:39. So we ain't got much more time. Christmas Eve's gonna be over, and we'll be rolling into Christmas. So, but either way, hope y'all enjoyed this video. More importantly, hope y'all enjoy your Christmas. Peace and love, and I'll see y'all on the next one.